Okay, viewers, today we are going to be deliberating on polar form. We check our last video. We polar form. If you check my last video, we were talking about that this is the formula for calculating polar form. So that is the formula in the sense that R is equal to the modulus. R is equal to modulus, and the formula for calculating modulus is R is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. Then theta is equal to the tan inverse of B all over A. That is it. So the equation will be given Z is equal to 1 plus operator I. Convert this to polar form. You have to convert this to polar form. So converting that to polar form, step one is to look for modulus. So looking for modulus is step one is to look for modulus. Modulus is equal to R is equal to square root of A square. Coming down here, this is my A, this is A plus BI, and Z is equal to 1 plus operator I. We are given this. We have to change this to polar form. That means that A is equal to 1, then B is equal to 1. Because it is tautology for us to write 1 operator I is wrong. So we can have something like 2I, 3I, but it is wrong here. So any alphabet that stands alone, that means that we have invisible 1 at the back. So here is 1, B is equal to 1. So we have here 1 square plus 1 square. Look at A square plus B square. That is A square. This is A is 1, then B is 1. So R is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to what? The square root of 2. So step 1 is for us to find the modulus. Then we are done finding the modulus, step 1. Then step 2 is for us to look for the theta, that is the amplitude. Theta is equal to tan inverse of B all over A. So B all over A is what? 1 divided by 1. Look at 1 divided by 1. So for us, how to press tan inverse is shift and tan in your calculator. So when you press this, you see that you have 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So we are done because polar form consists of 2 steps, just 2 steps. One is the modulus, 2 is the amplitude or the argument. So now you keep this. This is the final answer. So Z is equal to R is what? Look at R. R becomes square root of 2 into cos what? Cos 45 plus I sine what? Sine 45. This is the final answer. So you have been able to convert from this to polar form, from rectangular form to a polar form, and this is the final answer. And in our next video, I will show you how to use option to know whether your answers are correct. Thank you, and subscribe to Pascal Mathematics.